your Lee from Technocademia, and in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to fix ad limit in your Adsense account. Sometimes you may receive an email like this: ad serving limit placed on your Adsense account. What does it say? Hello, we recently identified invalid traffic concerns in your Adsense account. As a result, we have introduced an ad serving limit on your account. We will automatically review and update this limit as we continue to monitor your traffic. So, you may know the basic reason of the ad limit is the invalid traffic, and this issue has been faced by those who are doing AdSense loading on their websites to increase their revenue, but sometimes organic traffic as well. Those sites that are getting organic traffic as well facing the same issue. We are going to talk about the solutions. I already talked what is invalid activity and how it happens. I already discussed it in our previous videos. You can check it in our channel how to avoid this. I already discussed those things, but today we are going to fix it, and we're going to discuss how we can fix this issue. When you receive this email, if you are going to your Adsense account, you are looking, here's my ads are off, auto ads are off. I always keep it off because the automatic ads are the main cause of invalid activity, no traffic, so I just keep it off all the time. And when you receive the notification for the ad limit, you should off the auto ads immediately, and also the ad limits, the ad units. You see here, I click on buy ad units. You have to click on the ads and then go to buy site and just off the auto ads, and then go to the buy ad unit, and just we are seeing some unit in article ad. I have one unit created, so I will click it and just acquire. Okay, and I have had already discussed about plugins where we can put the ad units codes manually and without any problem in our WordPress. So you can just go to that plugin and just deactivate that plugin. That's all, and your ad units will be stop running. Okay, the global setting, just off it. Okay, that's all. When you just off it and go to your website and just give it a huge amount of traffic, organic traffic. And how you can get organic traffic, it's a big question. So the organic traffic, Google already mentioned it in our email that we will automatically review and update this limit as we continue to monitor your traffic. So Google will continuously monitoring our traffic. For that we need organic traffic to see when Google see that this is a really organic traffic, then Google will automatically remove the ad limit notification from your Adsense account. And from where you can get organic traffic? Definitely from Google. And if you don't have organic traffic, if your articles are not ranked, if your website is not well optimized with SEO, then there is one option. You should run an Google Ads campaign for your website to get traffic just for one day, just for 2 days, 3 or 1 week. Just run a campaign, start a campaign, and just put your website URL that you need traffic to this site, like you are buying traffic from Google. So if you are buying traffic from Google, automatically it will be 100% organic, and Google even cannot say anything on their traffic, because their traffic will be their own traffic. So how they can cause any problem, any trouble? So Google will automatically remove your ad limit within 2 days. Within 2 days, or maximum 4 days. And if you cannot spend money on advertising on Google, you don't know how to advertise your website URL on Google to get traffic, then you can also buy traffic from SMM panels and cheap prices as well. Just giving daily traffic to your website and just switch up all the ads, the auto ads, the ad units, switch all off and just start giving your website traffic. In 2 to 3 days, your limit will be get removed. And there is also a super tip, a super thing for you. If your website get limit notification and within 30 minutes you text me, contact me, just keep my contact, just keep my WhatsApp and you will contact, and you can contact me anytime. And if you let me know within 30 minutes, I will remove the ad limit exactly within 30 minutes. It's my guarantee. I will do that, and that will be paid. Okay, just keep in mind everything is not free, so that will be a paid. I will apply some techniques and your notification will be removed within 30 minutes. If you let me know exactly within 30 minutes when you get the notification, or at least you let me know after 3 to 4 or 5 hours. And if you cannot reach me within that mentioned time, then definitely the ad limit removal will take time. If you run Google Ads and still your site did not ready, and Google say it's still notification of the ad limit, then you can contact me and I will remove your ad limit within 14 days. But the first method, if you applied the first method that I told you, switch off all the ads and just start organic traffic to your website, drive organic traffic to your website from any source. Do not drive from referral traffic, do not drive social traffic, only Google search traffic. Only Google search traffic. Just drive Google search traffic to your website and your ad limit will be removed guaranteedly within 4 to 5 days. It's my guarantee. And if you have anything to ask me in the comment box, or you have any view about this topic, you can share in our comment box and I will answer it. I hope you will finding our videos helpful, and just keep supporting us with subscription and commenting and liking and sharing our content. Thank you so much.